Hi guys, it's Miss Simon. So I wanted to make this video today to kind of just do a final walkthrough of how your day is going to go tomorrow, just to kind of help everybody and make sure everybody is kind of on the same page. So in this email I'm going to send you with this video, there's also going to be an attachment of a schedule. Okay, I'm going to send one of these schedules out every week. So you guys will get in the habit of following the schedule. So let me just share my screen with you and I'll show you what this schedule kind of looks like. Okay, so this is kind of your schedule for this coming week. Okay, it's the same schedule. It's the same schedule that you'll have every week, okay, with everything at those times that I gave you on that remote schedule paper, okay? But remember your first Zoom, your attendance is gonna get checked in by Ms. Hoyden at 10 o'clock, okay? And remember your day goes from 10 to 3, okay? So at 10 o'clock, you need to go on to that Reading Google Classroom, and remember that Zoom link will be right in the stream there for you. And you'll click on it, and then from 10 to 10:30, you'll have attendance and kind of check in with Ms. Hoyden. She'll go over a couple more things for Google Classroom and Edpuzzle and before you get started, okay? Then from 10:30 to 11:15, you'll have reading, so you'll still be on that Zoom, okay? And then 11:15 to 11:30, you'll have grammar for tomorrow because grammar is going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And again, you'll still be on that Zoom with Ms. Hoyden. So you should be on the same Zoom from 10 to 11:30. And remember, you can find that Zoom link on the Reading Google Classroom page at the very top of the stream, okay? I want you guys to look at these things that are highlighted in yellow in each of these boxes, okay? These bottom things in yellow, okay, it tells you what you're going to be needing for that class, okay? So I would encourage you each to have a spiral for every subject, so 5 or 6 spirals that you can use to kind of keep yourself more organized, because if we were in school, if you guys were in the class, that's how I would help you guys keep your things organized, okay? So if we notice here for reading, it says, be prepared, materials are into reading textbook, reading spiral, and pencil. So when you come to the reading Zoom, okay, so be prepared. That's your reading is your first class. So you need to be ready with your materials when reading starts, okay? Well, you don't need to waste time going and getting materials. You should already have it ready for you, okay? Same with grammar. It tells you to have your grammar packet that I sent home with you, your grammar vocab spiral, and a pencil, okay? Then for 11:45, okay, that you'll have that new Zoom with Ms. Beckman. Her Zoom is in the same exact place on the Writing Google Classroom, and it tells you here what you're gonna need for your writing. So I sent each of you home a writing binder, so make sure you have that with you. Also, a writing spiral and a pencil. Okay, then for science from 12:30 to 1, okay, 12:30 to 1, science will be the only class that is not going to be a live Zoom. It is going to be recorded for this entire week. Okay, so no, that doesn't mean you don't have class. Okay, you need to go on to the Science Google Classroom, okay, and go under the assignments tab, under that classwork tab, and you will see there a video lesson that's recorded of me teaching you guys science, and you'll need to complete and watch that video and then complete the Google form that's there, okay? You are going to need a science spiral because you are going to be taking notes based on the video recording of the lesson, okay? Then you'll have lunch, and then at 1:45, you need to be ready for math with me, okay? Remember that Zoom link is on the stream at the very top, okay? You need to be prepared with your math workbook. I sent all of you at home a dry erase board, your math spiral, and your pencil because you will be taking notes. So you need to come ready at 1:45 for that, okay? And then finally is your student help, which is from 2:45 to 3, okay? So if we go through the math lesson and you guys have questions from the day or about the math, that would be the time that you would ask for that. You would just kind of stay on that Zoom lesson with me. All right, so before I go, I just want to double check and make sure that you are ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to show you exactly how you're gonna get on any Zoom that you have tomorrow. I'm gonna use math as an example, okay? So remember, okay, on your stream, your link is going to be that very first one. So you just are going to click on that and it'll automatically connect you to the Zoom. Any classwork that you have, okay? You can find under your classwork tab, these are the assignments for this coming week so far. So this one, this Unit 1 Lesson 1 will release tomorrow, okay? And it's very important that you complete these steps in order. So again, the Zoom link is here for you again in case you miss it on the stream, okay? You'll click on that, make sure you have your materials, okay? Because then we'll be taking notes for math, and then your homework is going to be on that Think Central page for you, which we logged into on Friday. So you should have no problem logging in to that, okay? Then when you complete that homework, make sure you hit the turn in button, okay? Also, I just want to make sure that everybody knows all assignments, okay, whether it's homework, whether it's classwork, anything, all of it is going to be due for you guys at 10 a.m. the next morning, okay? Because just like if you are in school, your homework and your assignments are due that very next day, okay? So that does not change for you guys. Your assignments are still due that very next day at your start of the day. So I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Please make sure you email me with any other questions that you have. See you tomorrow.